Angel One shares moved today, and instantly the market filled with noise, panic, and rumors. Some investors rushed in, others froze. But behind this chaos, something important is quietly settling. Angel One share price gained in early trade after the company announced that its board will consider a stock split. As soon as this update came out, excitement picked up. Stock split headlines always create curiosity and sometimes frustration because many retail investors fear they might miss the next big move. In the opening session, Angel One shares were trading around 2,494 rupee, up nearly 1%. This move came just a day after the stock had already closed higher in the previous session. So what exactly triggered today's action? The company informed exchanges that a board meeting is scheduled for January 15, 2026. In this meeting, the board will consider the subdivision or split of existing equity shares, which currently have a face value of 10 rupee each. Along with this, the board will also consider declaring the first interim dividend for the financial year 2025 to 2026. This combination is what caught the market's attention. Stock splits often reduce the share price, making it appear more affordable, even though the company's value does not change overnight. This creates excitement but also confusion, especially when investors react emotionally instead of logically. But there's more happening beneath the surface. In the same meeting, Angel One will also consider its unaudited financial results for the quarter ended December 31st, 2025. That means the market is not just reacting to a stock split proposal, but also positioning ahead of earnings clarity. Recent operating data adds another layer to this story. In December, the company's gross client acquisition jumped over 35% month-on-month, even though it was lower year-on-year. The total client base grew nearly 2% month-on-month and over 20% year-on-year, reaching more than 35 million clients. Orders added also rose, showing steady platform activity. However, average daily orders dipped slightly month-on-month, even as they improved on a yearly basis. This mixed data is exactly why the market reaction feels unsettling. Some numbers excite investors, others raise quiet questions. Looking at the broader picture, Angel One touched a 52-week high of around 3,283 rupee and a 52-week low of around 1,942 rupee earlier in the year. Currently, the stock is trading well below its peak, but comfortably above its lows. The company's market capitalization stands at over 22,400 crore rupee, which explains why even small announcements create large reactions. Now here's the part many investors ignore in the noise. A stock split announcement does not change business fundamentals overnight. It changes perception, and perception often drives short-term price action, creating FOMO for late entrants and frustration for those who chase headlines. Quick pause here. If you like breaking down such market moves beyond panic and rumors, follow and subscribe. We post such real business stories every day, so you can think with clarity when markets feel chaotic. The real question is not whether the stock split will happen. The real question is how the market reacts once expectations settle and results come out. That's where smart money waits, and impatient money usually regrets. In markets, excitement travels fast. Clarity arrives slowly. Knowing the difference is the real edge.